Hey everybody, J. Scott Helms here. Today we're going to talk about LetsFit resistance loops. Let's tear them open and take a look. So here we are talking about resistance bands again. I've done several videos here. Sorry about that. Have done several videos here recently on resistance bands. This is another class I'm taking, required a slightly different set than I have, so I went ahead and ordered them. These are the LetsFit resistance loops. That's what it looks like. Just a paper envelope that it shows up in. So I ordered these from Amazon, and I pulled them up here. Not that you can see it, but I pulled them up. They are still in stock. It's a 5-piece set, actually, if you can see it. It's this set right here. Yeah. They were $9.99, free shipping. So what do we know about these? They're 100% natural latex. It's a 5-piece kit, as you can see from here, 5 different colors. And they range from extra light to extra heavy. They're supposed to be 12 inches long, 2 inches wide. We'll find out when we open them up. And they offer them, and on the website here, well, on their Amazon store, they offer the same kit in multiple options. The only difference are the colors. And then they have a couple of kits with just 4 bands and 3 bands. And then this bottom set, which you'll see on their website or on their Amazon store, these are the cloth rubber style anti-slip ones. I don't have these, but I have done a video on a similar product by 4Core, and they're fantastic. So let's open these up and see what we get. While I tear this open, I'll do my begging. That's pretty cool. Just a strip. Tears open. If you get something out of the video, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out, and I really appreciate it. Thank you. So, tearing it open, here's what we get. All right. So first, we got a cool little cloth bag to put them in. It says LetsFit right down there. Little pull string bag. All right. We got some literature. Resistant loop band user's manual. This will come in handy. So it looks like it has all your specifications there for each and every band. Let's see, maintenance guides, and then it shows, if I can get it to pull out, got a little exercise chart. That's kind of cool. Got the same thing on the back, but it's in German. Nobody wants to hear me attempt that. So we got that. What else do we get? Let's see. Got an extended warranty, 1 year for free. You just have to register it. You can do that by phone, on the website, email. They have an address on here. Yeah. All right. And I would be willing to bet you could hit that QR code and do the same thing. All right. So the bands themselves, they come individually wrapped, just like that. Let's take a couple of them out. All right, so sing along, practice your banjo while I get these torn open. All right, so as I said, they're 12 inches long. Look at that upside down. 12 inches long, 2 inches wide. This one is the extra light. And it actually shows you on each and every band. Let me get a darker one so you can see it. It'll show you on each band. It'll focus. You have a number of dots, and then it says this one's extra heavy compared to, say, light, which just shows you 2 dots, and it says light. All right, so this one is the X Light, extra light, which I am not. All right. And then we have our light. Just like that. And again, 12 inches, 2 inches wide. They're all the same. They just have a slightly different thickness to them, a little more resistance. I'm going to go ahead and open the rest of these up. That way I can speed it up and you don't have to sit through all the crinkling and noise making and me trying to fill with jokes or songs. Here we go. All right, so this one is medium, heavy, and extra heavy. It's the category I fall into. All right, so as a side-by-side, we get the extra heavy and the extra light. You can see they are the same width and the same length. Yeah. The only difference, this might be hard to see, is the thickness of them. That extra heavy here is about 3 times thicker than that extra light. Might be a little bit more. And you can definitely feel a difference in them. And we'll go back to the light. So, pretty good difference. There's the other 3. Yeah. Well, okay. Now, this is the first product I've ever had from them. They seem to be pretty quality, seem to be pretty nice. They offer a free replacement warranty, so not too bad. Again, I didn't go to their website. I ordered these from Amazon. I had a link from the class I'm taking, so I just did that. $9.99 free shipping, and they do have 4 sets of this latex style in stock and available. That's August 23rd, 2020. They have multiple colors, all the same sizes, extra small to extra heavy, or extra light to extra heavy. And then they also have, if you click on the visit our store link on that link, they have all kinds of other products. They've got earbuds, jump ropes, they've got the cloth style resistance bands. They had quite a bit of stuff actually, and it looks pretty good. Again, they're 100% natural latex. Good for working out, working your booty. And again, it had the little cloth bag. Pretty nice. And some literature, give you examples of some workouts. I will, as always, I will put some links down below to their store and to this particular product. Again, they were $9.99, and I didn't have any, so I decided to go ahead and order them. I probably could have used some of the other ones I had for this class, but I decided to go ahead and conform and purchase them. So there's not much more I can really say about them. I haven't used them yet, but they do feel pretty good. They're seamless. I don't see where they're, they look like they're one continuous piece. This is the heavy, medium, a huge rubber band. And again, I'll hold up all 5 so you can see them. So, different colors. I chose the blue kit, but they do have, if I can get this thing back out, multiple, like I said, from here to here. The only difference in them are the colors. They're all extra light to extra heavy, 5 bands. Then you've got a couple of 4-band kits and a 3-band kit. And the only difference is going to be the selection of resistances you get in there. So, again, LetsFit. And maybe we'll try them out and then come back and talk about them again. It's about all I really got for these. Pretty good product for $9 for $10. And we'll see how they go into class. If they hold up, I might do another video. If they break, I might do another video. But for now, get yourself set and check them out. They are in stock, so it's gear you can actually still get. And like I said, if you got anything good from the video, please give it a like. That really helps me out. And then if you don't mind, please click subscribe. That really helps me out, and I really, really appreciate it. All right, till later in the week, have a good one.